Welcome back for our patio project. Today our work duty is level the ground. It's a very hard, another very hard day, but let's do it. Young man. I'm going to till the ground and I use Ryobi, another tool from Ryobi. Till the ground, get rid of the grass there. Chinese. 现在呢，我就是用这个机器人，就是把这个地面松土用，然后把这个草的话也给它就是除掉。 用这个机器松土和平地用，好了。
You don't need to come past the stairs.
Works. Today we level the ground. Looks good. And the next step will be and put a sand under there and make sure it's a final level. Thank you for your watching. I see you next time in Loose Garden, our next video, because we have a big project. We need one by one get it done. This is the first one. So next video, I will show you how to build the patio. Okay, I see you next time. Bye.